hydroponics, and this is a how-to video to set up your hydroponic table frame that comes from American Hydroponics. Now we're doing a demonstration size, and the size table frame you have is dependent upon which package you've ordered, but they all set up the same way. I've got warehouse worker Ian here, and he's going to demonstrate how to do this. He simply has a few tools: a drill motor with clutch, a 5/16 inch nut driver. He's going to need a tape measure and the Tech screws that came with your package. Now he's got the pieces laid out. He has the legs, he has the bottom rail, he has the angle brackets, and he is going to put these together. It's really very simple using the pre-drilled holes that are in the different parts. Go ahead, Ian. He's just attaching one side of the angle brace because he wants to square that up to make sure it's exactly perpendicular. And then he'll, well, attach the other side.
It died, I think. You just can't get it back on this one.
So that's how they're perpendicular, and you've attached the angle braces. Then you're ready to take the different leg assemblies and put them together. You do that with the top rails. Now you'll have three different types of top rails. You'll have a feeder rail, and it goes on the highest leg, and it goes like this. And again, you attach this with the self-tapping screws. You'll have a mid rail, and it goes on the middle rail, of course. Sometimes you'll have two legs in the middle. And then finally you have the collector rail, and it goes on the end. And again, they all attach with the self-tapping screws. Ian has got the top rails attached to the legs, and he's got the angle braces attached at the right spot to make sure that these are level all the way across. And that's all you do for the table frame. Now, of course, this is just a demonstration. Your table frame is going to look a little bit different, but it's the same principles, and it's all that easy. Use this video in conjunction with the written instructions, and you'll have no problems at all. Thanks.